Here's Sebastian enjoying some mangoes. Sometimes he has a little trouble picking them up. So we're just going to watch him eat for a minute. They're pretty good, huh? He's good. See, oh, and then just go for the suction technique. Good work. Hey, they're a little slippery. You just put them right in your mouth. Yeah, good job. They're a little slippery for your little fingers, aren't they? Try to pick it up. Nope. Nope. Gotta get that one a little closer. Try to get it a little closer. Nope. A little closer. Good try, though. A little closer. There you go. That works. Nice work, Sebastian. Mangoes are delicious. Alright, try to pick it up. Getting some fine motor skills. We're working on it. Some dexterity issues. And, oh, almost. Get it a little closer. And see if you can figure it out. Nope, that one farther away. Here. There you go. Yay! Good thing his tray is clean. Is that delicious? Is that delicious? Can you give me clappy clappy? It's good. Clappy clappy. Come on, clappy clappy. Clappy clappy. Yay! Yay! What about head shaky shaky? Huh? Shaky 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 shaky. Yay! It's good. Yeah! Head shaky shaky. Head shaky shaky shaky. Head shaky shaky shaky. Come on. Do it for mommy. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Now have some more mangoes. Mangoes. Oh, you gotta get it closer. Get it closer. Use your motor skills. Little closer. Little closer. Use your fine motor skills. There you go. I think you got that one. Good work. Good work. Now chew it. Oh, Sebastian, you are the best. Yay! Yay! Big smile. No? Good job. Yay, little man. Yum. Yay! And on that note, we'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Come on, give me a little wave. Give me a little wave. Clap. Okay, good enough. Good enough.